The Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect, quick and easy setup and assembly, is brought to you by Ultimate3DPrintingStore.com. To start your setup process, turn the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect to its backside and open up the accessories box. Pull out the filament spool holder, which is in a plastic bag. Install the filament spool holder onto the backside of the machine. Once installed, put on the desired filament or the roll that came with it. Turn the printer back around and go to the build plate. There are 4 clips, which 2 of them need to be opened on the front side. This will allow you to slide in the actual glass build plate as shown. Close these clamps to secure it down on each side. Now your glass build plate is installed. Open up the accessories box and pull out the plug and power brick. Connect these two to the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect on the back side. When turned on for the first time, the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect will probably need a firmware update. The screen will guide you through if needed. You can plug in and download via USB. When the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect is updated and ready to go, the screen will look like this. After being shipped, the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect will probably need to go through the bed leveling process, which can be used with the calibration card that came with it. Once the bed is fully leveled and filament is loaded into the machine, the Ultimaker 2 Plus Connect is ready to go. This is Ultimaker, Ultimate 3D Printing Store. Go to www.ultimate3dprintingstore for Ultimaker printers, parts, filaments, and more.